guys, what's up? This is Kelly with Priority Farm Journal, and today my video is a little bit different. Okay, so you know I'm super into planning. You probably usually see my traveler's notebook and how I set this up, but I've been wanting to incorporate some videos about Bible journaling because I super love Bible journaling, and there's a wide range of styles of Bible journaling. Some people do awesome paintings and artwork in their Bible. Some do scrapbooking. All of that is beautiful. My style, I lean more on the just like creative, colorful, like highlighting and taking notes. Mine's more on the study side of journaling. So just to keep that in mind. But I figured a good way to start, maybe an awkward way, whatever, because you don't know how I really do it, but was going over my favorite Bible journaling supplies and the ones that I am content with and I feel settled on that I use all the time. So I keep them all in this is a makeup bag that I found on Amazon, just a random makeup bag. And I just liked that it was leopard. So it was perfect and it was reasonably priced and it holds a lot. I like big bags. So let me kind of try to spread everything out. It's kind of a beast of a mess of stuff, and then I'll explain. I'm like off center. Why did I do that? I gotta shift everything. Whatever, you get the point. Okay. So, as you can see, just got a few sticky notes, that's all. Just a few. So I love having sticky notes. I just like, honestly, the way it looks when I add it in there, but also when I maybe want to put a short word definition or a Greek word, or if I just want to like highlight a certain phrase in there that really stood out to me, it's nice to have that extra room and just be able to stick it onto my Bible when I'm done with the rest of the study and highlighting and everything. So, and then with certain colors, I have these black Post-it notes, which I love, and then craft paper colored ones. Those, the white gel pens, and these are Jelly Roll. This one is the 05, and this one's the 10, so this one's thicker. So just for different things, depending on what thickness I want, I use these with these two guys, and then sometimes with like bright colors like this, it turns out really well. I have my Tombow Fudanasuki. Let me see if I can bring that up to you. And this is specifically, wait, does it see it right there? Soft tip. There's one that looks pretty much just like this, but it's a hard tip. I really like the soft tip one for lettering in my Bible, and then also on, that's not clearing up. Anyways, in my Bible and also on the sticky notes. And then this is my black micron pen. Yeah, let's see. It's the 01, so it's a really fine tip, which is perfect for writing in your Bible. And I have a journaling Bible, so the pages are thicker, but even with a regular Bible, You might have some ghosting with these, but you're not most of the time, unless you like hold in one spot for a long time, you're usually not going to have bleed through. So love that. Usually use the black one like on my post-it notes with my Tombow. And then for circling certain words and like writing out definitions or writing notes or things on the side in the columns, I use this set of micron pens, which are the colorful ones, and they're all an 01. This whole set is an 01. But they're all different colors. You can tell better by this end part. It kind of shows up here, but this shows you the best. And I got, what is that? 7 different colors here. And then I have the 15 pack of mild liners, and you know, not to play it out, I know everyone talks about these, but I just really have always loved these mild liners, the highlighters, the dual tip. You have your skinnier tip here, and a lot, oh my gosh, I can't get it off. There we go. Most of the time, hi, can you focus? That would be nice, thanks. Most of the time I'm using this end, honestly. I'm underlining, circling like throughout. And then for certain things certain words I will highlight with this end. But yes, I love these. These are really good. Same thing on most Bibles. Even if they're not like a heavier weight paper like journaling Bibles, they're still really good in them, but you will see the difference. Like the lighter colors, totally fine. Maybe some ghosting at most. You're not going to have bleed through on regular Bible pages even. Darker colors like this, you may have some bleed through, especially when you like highlight and then stop right at the end. Sometimes you get like a pile up there, and I try to just wipe it with my finger real quick. But I mean, they're super thin Bible pages. Like nothing's going to be perfect. You're not going to get anything that doesn't ghost, you know, or anything like that. So I really love these, and they last well, and they come in a lot of colors. So I love that. Once in a while, I'll throw down this cute little hedgehog sticky note, but honestly, the back of this, the adhesive they use is like super sticky, so it like stays on the paper a bit if you lift it up. So if you're going back through a passage and have to move one of these sticky notes, it kind of leaves a residue. I don't like that, so I'm not using them that much. And then I have my pile over here of like super thin, there we go, super thin washi tape, because obviously I don't have a whole lot of room in my Bible, so the smaller ones fit into spaces better. So I have a whole little pile of these guys, and this is everything I use. And honestly, I use all of it every time, except the washi tape. The washi tape is a little more sporadic, but every time I'm studying a chapter or a passage, I at some point during that utilize a sticky note or two, and I always, like, I use a different color for every verse. So I'm always utilizing my mild liners, and when I study, I look up word definitions and I write notes on the side, and I write some application or things that I just felt the Lord was speaking to me in. I'll use these to write that. So this is like my favorite stuff, and I really use it all the time. So I just wanted to share that with you in case you were trying to get some ideas. Honestly, there's like a plethora of highlighters you can use. Or you can use like one simple yellow one that's like an off-brand. You don't have to have this specific stuff, but I just wanted to show you what I'm utilizing some stuff that's out there. Maybe it'll give you some ideas. Maybe you can try some of it, find what works for you, what doesn't, and narrow it down so that you have tools that are really there to not overwhelm you or be a burden or be all this extra stuff to have and do, but that will actually help you in your studying and make things more efficient for you. That's the goal, is to enjoy studying your Bible and just have what you need or what helps you. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please, you can comment below and ask me the questions. Also, I will leave my email in the description box, and you are welcome to email me anytime. Also, feel free to email me if you need prayer. If you have any questions about discipleship or studying your Bible, there's a lot of good resources out there, and there's even a lot of good channels and people that have great ideas. So I would love to help you with that. But with that, thank you again, and we'll see you next time on the farm. Bye.